Today, the 2nd of February 2021, FII bought for 6,182 crores and DII sold for minus 2,035 crores. In past 5 days, FII sold for minus 3,656 crores and DII bought for 2,051 crores. This month, February 2021, FII bought for 7,676 crores and DII sold for minus 2,126 crores. In past 5 months, FII bought for 1,44,735 crores and DII sold for minus 1,17,027 crores. This graph shows 3 years trend on how FII and DII invested in cash market. All datas are in crore rupees. This graph shows 3 years trend on how FII index options and FII future investments are. All datas are in crore rupees.